Enlightenment is being aware of that process of ignorance to wisdom. We are enlightened that, we are on a journey. And somehow we were separated from reality, a pure reality, and we are coming back to that reality. And in the meantime, our life is the noise that we put on the carrier wave of reality. So we strip away reality, we have the noise that is our personal experience. And this is actually a gift that we get to give Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We get to give our life as a gift to Allah, who potentially has everything, but there are certain things Allah cannot be. Allah cannot be surprised. Allah can't be poor. You know what I mean? There's certain things that are impossibilities for Allah. But if Allah is all-knowing and knows all, then how would it experience things that are impossible for it? And you and I are the answer to that question. We are reality coming to know itself. So it's a very profound place to be. And once you can accept your humanity, then get involved in the active process of coming to know this is enlightenment.